In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up suppliers and create bills. In the menu on the left-hand side, select Find Purchases and unselect Suppliers from the drop-down menu. We select Purchases, then we select Suppliers. To add a new supplier, click on New Contact in the top right-hand side. The format of this page you will be familiar with, as it's the same layout as the customer screen that we just looked at, showing the 3 compulsory fields, with the other fields being optional. You notice that the contact type down the bottom defaults to supplier, so we don't need to change this. At the top, you just need to select whether the supplier is an individual or a non-individual. So as an individual, it shows the primary contact details. If it's a non-individual, it shows an option to select the company name. And again, you can enter the payment information for payment details, address, and notes down the bottom. So you can enter the payment details, the address details of the supplier, and the notes. Again, the notes are a great feature for CRM purposes. Once you enter all the details, click Save at the bottom. So we haven't entered any details, but if you set up a new supplier, you go through and then enter the details and then click Save. And to create a bill, select Bills immediately below Purchases. Select a new bill or create a new bill, select a new bill on the right hand side. In the new bill form, the fields in red are compulsory and need to be completed. So if you just create a new bill on the run here, so the supplier's name was to say that's a professional association. And the due date, let's just say it was, so we received the bill on the 15th of July, and the due date is the 29th of July. The description, so the account is professional development, and we just put in here the item details, so we put in this description of a seminar. Enter one, the quantity, and the rate is $330. BST. So if you have any supporting documentation, you can also upload that by clicking Choose File next to the reference file section. So if you had any extra information you just wanted to add to the supplier bill, as substantiation or some further supporting information. So once you've checked the bill, so we'll go through and quickly check it. So it's to professional association or from professional association. Date was the 15th, the due date is the 29th, so it's 14 days. It's going to go to that particular account, professional development, the seminar for $330, and we select Save. And that's been correctly recorded. So we're happy with that.